which you see over there in the corner, which is Hobby Zone Smart Technology, Spectrum Smart LiPo battery and charger, and all the stuff that you need as a beginner, because even charging stuff is pretty difficult these days. If you don't know what you're doing, because it's not nickel metal hydride batteries anymore. It's all the famous batteries that, as you see in the front of the box, it tells you right here, be careful, could explode if misused. There we go. The beast has been released from the box. And the box itself is very pretty looking. Look at that. I think we will save it. I've saved all the other boxes that I've gotten from Horizon Hobby and Hobby Zone and so on and so forth, because the boxes are extremely useful for storage.
Likey